Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Start with the essentials. In this video, I will show you how to make omelet bhujia. First, crack 2 or 3 large eggs into a bowl. Next, finely chop 1 small onion and 1 green chili. These fresh ingredients are key to a flavorful bhujia. Add a pinch of salt and pepper, then whisk everything together until well combined. This simple preparation sets the stage for a delicious meal. Now let's get cooking. Heat 1 tablespoon of your preferred cooking oil in a non-stick pan over medium heat. Once the oil is shimmering, add your finely chopped onions and green chilies. Sauté these aromatics for about 2 to 3 minutes, stirring occasionally until the onions become beautifully translucent. This step builds a foundational layer of flavor for your bhujia. It's time for the star ingredient. Pour your whisked egg mixture directly into the pan with the sautéed onions and chilies. Let the eggs sit undisturbed for about 30 seconds to begin setting. Then, using a spatula, gently scramble the eggs, breaking them into small, fluffy pieces. Continue cooking for another 1 to 2 minutes until the eggs are fully cooked through and resemble a loose scramble. Almost done. Continue cooking your omelet bhujia for about 1 more minute, stirring gently, until any remaining liquid has evaporated and the eggs are perfectly fluffy. For a fresh touch, you can garnish it with a sprinkle of freshly chopped coriander leaves. Serve your delicious, hot omelet bhujia immediately alongside some warm toast, a paratha, or a soft roti for a delightful meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.